Phillip's short stories. Mark in the park. Read with me. Mark and his family planned to go to the park to have a picnic. Let's go to the park. This morning, Mark went downstairs to eat breakfast. Do not try this at home, kids. Mark helped his dad pack egg rolls, rice, ramen, and last but not least, dragon fruit. Finally, it was time to go to the park. What's that smell? How will they know when they arrive at the park? They'll see the bright sun, trees, and birds. That's a nice park. When they got there, they unpacked all their tasty food first. The egg rolls, rice, ramen, and dragon fruit. Yummy. Then a swarm of birds came down to see what smelled so good. The family ran to the car as the birds ate all their food. Ah! The family drove away to a restaurant to eat at instead. At the restaurant, the family knew exactly what they wanted to eat. We'll have the bird swarm special, please. Well, what do you know about the bird swarm special? Includes egg rolls, rice, ramen, and dragon fruit. The end.